So here's how it works. What we're going to do is have a look at her taxable income, because Vanessa's taxable income is $36,550. Now, $36,550 is bigger than this tax bracket here, because this first tax bracket ends at $9,700. Her money is bigger than that, so she's going to owe all of that. Now, in the 18% line, notice how the minimum is $97,001 and the maximum is $39,475. But her income, it's bigger than the lower number, but not as big as the higher number. So we're going to stop somewhere in the middle of that bracket, okay? And then we're not even going to look at the 25% because she doesn't make enough money to be in there, okay? She'd have to make more than $39,476 in order to go into that bracket, okay? So we can say the tax owed is going to be, since she has completed this line, we take the maximum times the tax percent. We are going to take 9,700 times 12. That's fine. Press enter, and our tax owed would be $11.64, and we can go ahead and change this to currency by pressing the $sign, okay? Now, this next part's going to be just a little bit stranger, okay? So, in this case, we are partway in between the minimum and the maximum, all right? So, we're going to have to take her taxable income minus the minimum. Take the taxable income minus the minimum, then take that times the tax percent. So I want to also, for clarity, put brackets around the taxable income minus the minimum, because we're going to have to enter that in brackets in Excel. Okay, so in this case I'm going to type it next to it so you can see it before I actually type it into the formula. We would use equals, start the bracket, and then say her taxable income, $36,550, minus the minimum, which we said was $97.01, and then multiply times the tax percent on that line. It is indeed 18%. So now let's come over here. We'll say equals. We'll click. We'll type 36,550. And I have to make sure to put the brackets. You definitely don't want to forget those brackets. Minus the minimum, located in B5, and then times the 18%, located next door. So the tax owed there would be $4,832.82. Change to dollars. And then the tax owed in 25%, as we said, is 0 because she doesn't make enough money to get there. Okay. Now, if she did make enough money to get there, then what we would have done is just say that she owes the maximum in line 5, and then just do the same process we just did in line 6 instead of line 5. Now, the total tax bill, we just say equals sum of all the lines in D4, D5, D6. And we get $5,996.82. I'll make a note over here. We're just going to say that we use sum of D4 to D6 to get all of the tax added up, and that right there is going to be our final answer. So that's how much tax she owes.